I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. You see, I begged, stole, and I borrowed. Yeah. Ooh, that's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning.
Good morning. Hope everyone's blessed. Hope y'all all having a wonderful morning. And of course, we're here on this Friday, last day of the week. Of course, I want to say thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
I really appreciate it. Really do appreciate it. But kind of started a little bit late today, so let's get into it. All right, first and foremost, Forex Factory. We got flash manufacturing PMI. We got that in about 3 minutes. It's red folders should bring us a lot of volume, so we should hopefully with this news in a few minutes. Wow, we got a countdown here now. It's cool. As soon as news comes out, we should get volume, and we'll hopefully be able to follow it at 10 a.m. So let's get into it. Let's follow the chart. Let's do some market analysis real quick. We're gonna try to bust through this as fast as possible because we want to see how the news is gonna affect the market in about 3 minutes. Of course, got the monthly, still got support resistance on the monthly candle. Let's get the weekly. Weekly's been very bearish. We respecting this resistance here. Okay, so the weekly's bearish. Check the daily. Daily has been bearish. Let's indicate the daily flip just in case, because if we do flip, that is a possibility. That'll be right there. Let's check the 4 hour real quick. Okay, this 4 hours also as well about to flip. That's going to close at 10 a.m. So what could happen is this 4 hours is going to turn bullish with news in about 2 minutes, and we should drive up, I think. We've been respecting this support here, right? Put this up yesterday, this minor support we've been respecting, and we seem to still be respecting it. We've got another bottom wick. I don't think it being the last day of the week, I don't think we're going to drive down. I think this might be next week's move to come down and fill this range down here. All right. So let's see what happens, though. We're going to see what happens, see how we close. I would want a closure below here to look for some sells. It's going to be similar to yesterday. And when it comes to buys, we'll want a closure above here for some buys. All right. And this here will be our no trade zone. Let's get rid of that. All right. So let's see what happens. We got a minute left. About to get this news, right? Let's see how it plays out. Let's see. To be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. All right, we've only got a few seconds left. Will this be a strong move, or will we not move too much? What will it be? Looks like we're at a bit of a halt so far. Let's see what's going to happen with news. What's going to happen? Here's the new candle. Let's check the news. Let's take a look and see what numbers did. 50.4, so it looks like the actual was better than what the forecast was. Actual was also better than the previous numbers. So numbers look good. Flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. Indicating industry expansion. We're above 50. So overall, it should mean that price should go up. As long as it's above 50, price should go up. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe what we're doing is grabbing some liquidation. But then we'll wait and see what we're going to do at 10 o'clock. Still got about 12 more minutes. In 12 minutes, we can hopefully look for some positions. Alright, just give me 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. Be back though. We are back. Still got about 9 more minutes. So if we can manage to get a closure below, we'll be waiting for the next 4 hour to give us a top wick. And then we'll have a sell stop for this. See what happens. So far, we're looking good. Let's go ahead and check some of the charts while we're here. Wow, gold's been dropping. News has definitely affected gold. Gold's coming down very strong. Bitcoin as well has been coming down. Managed to come back down to 28,000. Again, target is 10 to 12,000, so look out for that. It's Friday, so there might not be too much moves, too much volume. So we're just going to take it by ear and just hope we get something. And we'll see. Worst come to worst, we're just going to be back on Monday, doing the same strategy we do every day. And we'll be back to making some more money. Stream tracker is updated. If you guys want to take a look at that. Got 22 trades. So far, we've been having a pretty good year, I'd say. So far, we've only taken, I believe it's two trades this week. 2 trades this week. Monday, we took a trade. That was an L. Was that Monday or Tuesday? That was Monday. Took a L. And then Tuesday. Was that Tuesday or Wednesday? I thought it was Wednesday. And no, I believe this is correct. So 1 win this week, 1 loss this week. 15-point loss, 53-point runner. Been a pretty slow week, but overall did pretty good. All right. ETH coming down like Bitcoin. Oil's coming up a bit. And it feels so good. GBP/USD is coming down. GBP/JPY is coming up. The Dow's not doing too much. And we've got about 2 more minutes. We're going to get a closure. If we can close below again, we're going to start looking for some sells. Let's go ahead and set this indicator here. Yes. All right. So we're dropping. I guess news wasn't good for price. So we're going to take advantage. If we can get a top wick in the next minute, we're going to have some sell stops placed. Got a minute left. Can we get the top wick that we're asking for? If we get the top wick, we'll be in an entry, guys. This is a great closure, but we do need the top wick. Here's a comment. We got about 10 seconds. Let's get the top wick. Let's get a pullback. Let's get a pullback. This is beautiful range to fill coming down. Let's get the top wick. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're going to have sell stops placed 12,903. 12,893. All right. We're going to have a 25-point stop loss. I still don't have an entry. So stop loss is going to be, let's make it a 20-point stop loss. I don't see us coming up. 12,923. And we are in an entry. $20-point stop loss. Let's get rid of this. And guys, we're in. This is a new 4-hour position. Unfortunately, what could happen, we did get a bit of an early entry. You should have waited for a little bit more of a top wick to grab some more liquidation. But we got in already. It's too late. At 10 points, we're going to move stop loss to BE and take partials. It's going to be our next W for the year, inshallah. But we did break the low. We should continue driving. We should continue driving. So We are in a bit of some drawdown, though. This is going to be the liquidation that needs to get grabbed. If worst comes to worst, we will move stop loss to about a 25-point stop loss. Okay? But let's hope we can respect the low that was made and continue driving. What we currently in right now, okay? We are in a trade. Hopefully you didn't over leverage your account. There's nothing's wrong with a little bit of drawdown, alright? It's just a little bit of drawdown. This could be the drive. Alright. It's about to be it. We about to slap. Almost there. Getting pretty close. We getting close, but we haven't slapped it yet. Okay, so we managed to grab about 9 points, but then we got to pull back, which is unfortunate. Kind of wish I would have just taken it out at the 9-point mark. That would have been good. All right, but just still trust yourself, trust your trade, trust your analysis. Don't start getting scared because we back at our entry. Just be patient. Just be patient. Let's trust that we got the good closure that we wanted and asked for, and we should continue driving. This is not about luck. This is more about good market analysis, good reading, price action, and we should drive. Pretty sure we should drive. Let's go ahead. Let me set some targets so we can have a better idea of what we're aiming for. This could be target 1. We'll have target 2 about right here. Let's have target 3 at the bottom of these wicks down here. Overall targets will be out here. From target 1 to, from entry to target 2 is about 19 points. And we just hit our target. Let's get it. Give a round of applause. Whoever took the trade. Just like that. It's another W for the week. We grabbed about 12 points. And at this point, you should have a risk-free trade, right? You should have a risk-free trade. Good for you. It's another W in the books. Another W in the books. Congrats to anybody that took that trade. Good for you, good for you, good for you. So I only took about 12 points. This is all we look for every day. 10 to 12 points. If we get runners, good for us. If not, so be it. Every day doesn't have to be a running day. That's a perfect way to end the week. Looks like we're about to pull back and hit BE. Do still think targets are valid, but if we hit BE, we hit BE. So what? Such is life, right? All right, and BE was hit. And it's all good. We still took a W. Let's go ahead and change the record. So that puts us at 20 wins and 2 losses for the year. 20 wins, 2 losses. How about that, man? How about that? One more round of applause for any winners out there. Anybody took a W? Give yourself a pat on the back. Good for you. 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 Congratulations. Anybody out there? If anybody took a W, put a W in the chat. ain't nobody on stream today. It's all good though. It's all good. So this is what I'm gonna do though. We did take a W. I'm gonna call it a quits early today. It's Friday. Do not overtrade. Do not have FOMO. Do not over leverage. Understand that it's the last day of the week. Market is trying to find somewhere to close, right? This is the weekly candle. So we're going to see what happens with the weekly. I'm going to watch it the rest of the day. It's going to give us a good idea on how we're going to start moving next week. But for now, we took a good W. We took 12 points. Add that to the stream tracker. And that's about it. We're just going to call it a day. I hope everybody stays blessed. And hope everybody has an amazing weekend. And of course, I want to say thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
And I really appreciate it. So take this W. Take this W with you. Take some bread out. It's Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Go do something crazy. Check out that Gervonta Davis, Ryan Garcia fight tomorrow. But of course, everybody have an amazing day, an amazing weekend, and I'm out of here. Peace.
Oh, she may be weary. Them young girls, they do get wearied wearing that same old shaggy dress. Yeah. But when she gets weary, try a little tenderness. You know she's waiting, just anticipating for things that she'll never possess. But while she's there waiting, and without them, try a little tenderness. It's not just sentimental, no. She has her grief and care, yeah. But the soft words, they are spoke so gentle, yeah. It makes it easier to bear, yeah. You won't regret it, no. Young girls, they don't forget it. Love is their home, happiness, yeah. But it's all so easy. You gotta do is try. Got to drop, man, drop.